Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to allow Telegram from accessing your files on your PC. By managing permissions, you can control what Telegram can access, enhancing your privacy and security. Let's walk through the steps. To begin, open web.telegram.org on your web browser. This will take you to the Telegram web version, where you can access your messages and settings. Next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This will open a drop-down menu with options related to the website's permissions and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Site Settings. This will direct you to a page where you can manage various site-specific settings for web.telegram.org. Under the Permissions section, you'll find a list of permissions that Telegram may request to access on your PC. These permissions include accessing your files, camera, microphone, and more. To allow Telegram to access your files, simply enable the permission by toggling the switch next to it. This action grants Telegram the necessary access to your files while using the web version. By enabling the permissions you want to be allowed, you can customize Telegram's access to your PC based on your preferences and security concerns. By following these steps, you can easily manage Telegram's permissions and control what it can access on your PC. This gives you greater control over your data and enhances your online security while using Telegram on the web. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you navigate Telegram's permission settings effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.